If you're planning to withdraw from your 401k before you reach 5912, you're likely concerned about the 10% tax penalty. I'm here to help you avoid that penalty while still accessing your savings. Whether you're looking to tap into your 401k early for a personal expense or just need liquidity, there are a few strategies you can use to access your funds without getting hit with that extra 10% penalty. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you how a simple strategy could save you thousands. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks and securing your financial future, I highly recommend you click the first link in the description to get a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and you'll see why in just a moment. Now, let's talk about the 10% penalty. Typically, the IRS hits you with this penalty if you take out funds from your 401k before the age of 5912. But there are ways to avoid it, and the first thing you need to know is that there are exceptions. These exceptions apply to situations where you need the money, but the IRS understands there are valid reasons for early withdrawals. Let's look at some of those exceptions. One exception is called separation from service. If you leave your job at age 55 or older, you can access your 401k without the 10% penalty. This is a key advantage if you're planning early retirement. You won't need to wait until 5912. However, keep in mind that this applies to your current employer's 401k, not previous ones. Another exception involves permanent disability. If you become permanently disabled, you can also withdraw funds without penalty. This is, of course, a serious situation, but it's important to note that you have this option available if needed. For those facing substantial medical expenses, the IRS allows penalty-free withdrawals if those expenses exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. So if you're dealing with a serious health issue, this could be a lifesaver, allowing you to access your 401k without worrying about that additional penalty. Now, here's a lesser-known strategy that could be a game changer: the substantially equal periodic payments rule. This allows you to take early distributions from your 401k without the penalty, provided you follow a specific schedule for a minimum of 5 years or until you reach age 5912, whichever comes later. It might sound complex, but if you're in a position where you need income and you're not looking to just drain your account all at once, this can be a solid option. If you're looking for an even easier way to tap into your retirement savings, one option is a Roth IRA conversion. You can roll your 401k over to a Roth IRA, and if you're over 5912 or have had the Roth for at least 5 years, you can withdraw your contributions and earnings penalty-free. The downside here is that you will have to pay taxes on the conversion, but it's still a good option if you're looking to avoid future taxes and penalties. Let's also briefly compare how a gold IRA can offer protection and stability for your wealth in uncertain times. While traditional 401ks might expose you to market volatility, a gold IRA gives you the ability to hold physical gold, offering a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. If you're concerned about the long-term stability of your retirement funds, a gold IRA is something you should consider, especially if you have 100k or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to 5M plus in savings. If you're thinking about diversifying your wealth and want to avoid penalties or ensure your savings are growing in a safe, stable environment, don't miss the chance to grab the free gold IRA guide in the description. To wrap up, the best way to avoid the 10% tax penalty on early 401k withdrawals is to be aware of the exceptions, plan ahead, and explore alternatives like a Roth IRA conversion or the substantially equal periodic payments rule. And remember, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and ensuring that your savings grow without the risks associated with traditional accounts, check out the free guide for gold IRAs. It's perfect for American retirees who have 100k plus in their IRA or 401k, or even those with 5M plus in savings. Don't leave your retirement to chance. Make the smart choice today.